Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are starting the My Love For series. And to kick it off, I will be showing you how I completed this fashion illustration of an Alexander McQueen outfit from the Resort 2020 collection. First, using a sharp HB pencil, let's finalize the outlines. I already finished a light drawing earlier. This will serve as my guide so that this video goes as smoothly as possible. Looking good. Now, let's do the ruffles on the shoulders. This is a bit complicated as you need to understand which part goes to the front as well as to the back. Now remember to use a sharp pencil to achieve these really nice fine lines. Well, at this point, my arm is already aching. Do you see all of these ruffles? Let me just clarify it now. I do a lot of changes in doing these sketches. Keep in mind that I am not copying the actual picture. What I do here is I make a fashion illustration version of the actual look. Therefore, the proportions are different. Also, I am changing the shoes for this look. Originally, the model wears flat sandals. Here, I added heels. Let's start adding colors. I will be using a variety of markers for this one: Tria, Kurecolor, Copic, and Promarkers. I already finished coloring the skin. I will include a link on how I do skin down below, so check it out. Oh boy, this is quite a complicated dress. At some parts, the right side of the fabric is red and the wrong side pink, and the other way around in some parts. So I have to be very careful. Notice I am adding a darker shade of red. I do this to add depth to the picture. And speaking of depth, let's use color pencils to add more definitions and strengthen the shadows. Now let's finish this project and use a micro pen. Now before I show you the finished product, let me just end this with a beauty mark. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And since you're already here, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the notification bell so you don't get left behind. Once again, this is Mick and I will see you again next time. Bye!